Hello everybody, so here is another orchid spotlight on this time with Cattleya bowringiana, a Cattleya species from Belize and Guatemala. So this is a lithophytic Cattleya that likes to cling on rocks from the word lithos, which basically means rock or stone. This Cattleya species like to cling on rocks, especially in river areas, so close to flowing bodies of water. As you could see, it has like a very beautiful lip and throat, and you could see the white throat with a with the varying degrees of purple hues in on the lip. Yeah, so it's quite a big plant as you could see there. Very lovely. It's a very striking plant, especially with all these blooms. The flowers on this one are known to be not so long lasting, but they're a reliable bloomer, especially during spring. So that's Cattleya bowringiana. And now we're looking at the Epidendrum radicans. So this is a red-orange variety of the Epidendrum radicans, and as you would know, Epidendrum radicans orchids are also known as crucifix orchids because they kind of look like crucifix, and also the dovetail orchid because it kind of has like the dovetail lip. That's the tag there. Epidendrum radicans. There you go. So it's a very vigorous grower, as you can see from all of the roots and the keikis. And here is quite a well-known Cattleya hybrid. This is the Iwanagara Appleblossom. So you could see the very delicate pink and peach yellow hues all around the flower. It's a very delicate looking plant, but I didn't really know that the spike could really go long on this one. Perhaps this is like a special variety that may have this feature. Yeah, so it's a very delicate and beautiful flower. That's the tag there, Iwanagara Apple Blossom. All right, very nice. And here is the last one I would like to talk about. This is the Epidendrum Pacific Sunset Kawaihae. And as you can see, it's related to the Epidendrum radicans. You could see the dove tail, the dove wings on its lip, in its lobes. Very fuzzy, very pink. Yeah, and it really looks good against the tropical foliage at the background. Yeah, so thank you for watching this orchid spotlight, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. And yeah, see you soon on my next video. And you could see the tag down there, Pacific Sunset Kawaihae Epidendrum.